Good evening, everybody. We are getting a really late start to the vlog, but we've been super busy today, spending time with our guests, who just happen to be some pretty special people. And now we're just trying to figure out dinner. The kids are out here playing in the pool. So it's super bright. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. We're playing with more.
Woo! Are you having fun, pal? Are you having fun, Kaylee? Isn't she precious? Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Are you a shark?
Yes. Daddy?
Are you having fun in here? Oh, okay.
Alright, so we...
I keep hearing an answering.
Yeah, there's
there's
birds out right there, yeah.
Look, right there.
Look at this
No,
one.
no, back
Don't
up.
touch, watch out.
He does not need you to crowd him.
See that little fella?
He's
Yeah.
tiny.
He's scared too.
Oh, God.
He actually might be injured. Wait, looks like he's
The
old.
battery's just not good at flying yet.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. That scared me.
Where'd he go? He's over here.
He's right here.
And that's why I'm scared of little birds.
So he can fly, he's just learning.
He's just learning. That's probably why that mom's over there cheeping like crazy.
Yeah, like calling him, hey, come on buddy, you gotta come this way.
Look at him. Look at his little feathers. He doesn't
Yeah.
even have all of his big bird feathers yet, huh?
No, he does, yeah, he barely has a tail.
I know.
That's his mom, I think.
I think so. That cheeping you hear.
Yeah.
She's trying to get him close.
There he goes.
Oh.
Come on buddy.
There she is.
Come on. Yeah. Alright. I don't know if you can hear anything. There's the mom is right there. Yep, there it is. The mom. Mom's cheering on the little baby. Where's the little fella? Where'd he go? Up there he is right there. There he is. He's in the grass. There's the mom. Mom's right there. In this tree right there.
You guys see that blue bird up there? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. We still have mama bird up there. I'm not sure where baby bird is. I think somewhere over there. Oh my gosh. This mama bird is teaching its baby to fly. So cool. And then we have this blue bird over here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Mama is over there. I don't know where baby is though. Somewhere in the grass. Or on that bottom. I have no idea. Hey guys, so it's super late. It's like 11:15 and I'm the only one up. I just finished editing the vlog. It's going up like super late tonight. Sorry about that. But I'm getting it up and then I am going to head to bed. I am so tired. 4 hours of sleep. Oh, there's a lot, or not a lot. But yeah, it's been a long day. We finally got some outdoor furniture and our friends are here. You saw the kids in the vlog earlier in the pool. I'll introduce you to everyone officially tomorrow, but today was just kind of like, it was a whirlwind of a day. It was fun, but everybody has been like exhausted all day, and we're excited to get a good night's rest and start again tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, so you can follow along with this little fun, you know, weekend and everything. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.